to share that one, yeah. Me say, me look this morning, you see. I remember when we used to get them or something, yeah, all I got school. And y'all like cry because you don't want to wear them, you know? You don't want to wear the shiny bump. Yes. And not only that, we remember when you used to put on our clothes them and wear, yeah. Wrong side out and all back and front. Why we come a far away, you know? Far away as a people. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, man. Just lie down here and look on it how come far. Yeah, man. Bella sweet. Go to the shiny bump. And wrong side clothes. Shine. You remember when your granny come here and you have all the two plaits so and it just cock up so you don't want to wear it. And when you pull out your ear, when you come in you pull it out, guys, you pull it out the pass because you don't want none of your friends to see you look at that, you know, when you go over you get so lick. I remember them yesterday. Yo, gone are those days, eh? No pitney like wear braid cause school and falls here. No man, time fly. Technology bad, me I tell you. World gone ahead. First time me never see no young girl, now we going to my granny. You know granny and then we gonna have to go to church. Yeah, I wonder say where they get it from. First time only all people so wear wig, you know. A young girl never that wear wig like that. Me I tell her. Why me not tell her but me a rock me nigga bump them bad. Not true. Look good. An inside out shirt. You can't imagine that. Bella lie down and look and I say, boy, you just flashback memories, you know? Remember my granny used to comb my ear. Yo, my nigga bump then turn up door, look there. Me nah tell you like talk truth. And if you ever wear this hairstyle, let me know. Say talk truth. Yeah, man, it bad. As to the 3 plot and the 2 plot, and when you hear enough and thick, you something you're afraid for go to school because when people laugh at your school, I don't want easy sitting, you know. Some people laugh at your school, dog, afraid. No, man. And me gray hear them stand up. Yo, nigga bum, shiny bum. And no matter what texture you have, you know, you get the same comb in the ear and you still get the nigga bump. Then when you are shiny, you get nigga bump. And when you are cool, you get nigga bump. Yo, boy, we graduate, bad boy, we graduate, huh? Graduate, man. Me I tell you. Wrong side. I'm just there now. One look, you know. Sometimes you have to take a liquor, stroll down memory lane and see how far you come from, you know, and see your progress, you know. God good, me I tell you. Brought you from the miry clay. Yo. That's why they say once a man, twice a child, you know. Because sometimes, yo, nigga bumpy. And Bella sweet hairstyle, body. Talk truth, God, my hairstyle bad, not true. Bad. Yo. Yeah, my hairdresser. My hairdresser name na she bad, you see. If you want to feel done, you can make your appointment too. But yo, Bella sweet a rocking hairstyle. I tell you. Just have to be proud of yourself and proud of your ear, cause trust me. And you're going to do it and you rub all the ear oil on your face if you go to school. Your face shine like a yo, looking glass. They oil all your foot. You know remember them the days there. The coconut oil and rub on your foot and shine and so to dry your way. Remember them the days them and have some boot. You wear a lot of boot them sun hot your foot a burn up. I look at me. Sometimes when my mother give me some shoes to wear, I don't want to wear it. I lick off the heel. You know, mash them up. And say, Papa, because people laugh at you in some boot, you know, man. Laugh at you. Sometimes you not even want to go to school. Or people laugh at you. Trust me, man. The days are still but gone are those days, you know. The thing and everybody can go in a Chinese. Get one knockoff just like original. And your thing up, you know? And one time we got one for old people, not anymore. We got for everybody. I tell you, kind of for me days as me see when my granny me used to sit wear wig got shirt. Some ugly wig too, you know. So on some broad hat. And you wonder with him there for. But no, when you get older, you see, you know, you get wiser. You remember the days, man. Enough time you get lick all for you know how much time you have it up for you fix your clothes. Yeah, man. What are you? Yo! What if I think you need no conky in your head? Yo, first time days. But then days were nice still, you know? Your back and front. You can't find the back much less you not even wear front there, I tell you. Yo. And then frat with deep a frill, yo. And your socks roll down in your paintail boot. The days are gone. Trust me, man. So me just there chill, guys. Hope you not chill. Bless up on yourself and go and stay safe, you know. In order to be wealthy, you have to be healthy. So go and keep a healthy mind and a healthy body. Your girl Bella Sweet says, you know. Just come to my mind. So me say, I share it. Because me don't even realize, say, my clothes are wrong side out. Eh? Aye, but we're not going away, so a new lick inside out. You know? Yo, relax time though. The thing mellow and everything jello. You just have to take it easy and relax yourself, you know? And give God thanks with our life, and we can go back down memory lane, you know. We know on a memory loss, we memory intact. We wake up and we in our right mind, you know. Still have a roof over our head. And the good Lord will provide. Yeah, man. We don't say things hard and things rough, but with Jesus, that's enough. You know your girl Bella Sweet, and we say check it out and don't leave it out. And remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. And remember, if you're used to wear this hairstyle, like me say, make Bella know. Talk truth, all when you're nigga Chinese, still a wear nigga bump. Yes, Bella, yes. Alright guys, go and pick up on yourself. As usual, you know. Your girl Bella Sweet, I'm out. And remember your nigga bum hairstyle. Style from Wappy Kill Philip. You want some bad selfie them, you know. I have to put that one in my album because over the years, from your little bikini, yo, you know how much years know me, old man. You never remember nigga bump and look. Corona make everybody find back their roots and culture. I tell you. Take me back to basic, new beginning, fresh start, you know? Your natural self. Somehow we don't even know our own self, but Corona make we see with one skin, you know? Catch we're not gonna. The Corona make we see how we skin look. I tell you. Anyway, every time I say me, I'm gonna still there, I look become in love with me nigga bump, but peace, guys. Bella Sweet is out. Bless up yourself.